So first, you make a copy of this on your own Google account. I prefer or I recommend that you use a desktop mode on your Chrome browser or you use a laptop. So you've created a copy of this on your Google Drawing account, on your Google account on Drawing platform. So you come here, you click on this, replace with your photo. Start clicking on it, you either you long hold press it, or you right click. When you right click, you come to replace image. It will pop up and then you go to upload from computer. We're trying to upload an image, your image. So replace with your own photo. So I go to my image and then I replace with my image. That has been done. Once that has been done, I come again, click on it, and then I drag it till it fits. I think this will be best here. Fitted. Good. You can see I can adjust it to be in that spot, and I've gotten it. Then I click on this, the main design, and then I come here to file, come to download PNG or JPEG, or prefer PNG, and I download it. Once it's downloaded, let's see how it looks like. You have it here. You'll be attending DevFest. Then cancel. Okay. What if you have put this, but you made a mistake and you're trying to reset it? You can just hold this and then move it back. You see, you've brought it back. Hold this, you take it back. Click on this, you take it back to where it was, and then you now adjust it. So you want it to be like this instead. Good. But it must cover the whole of this area. And once you're done with that, just come here. Just come first, you click on this so you can select the whole canvas. Come here, go to download, go to PNG file, PNG image, click, and there's going to be a difference. You open, and then this. It is different from how this one is not aligned properly. You have this. That's it.